How to apply for student finance step-by-step with Yasir Qadhi's secret. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance with Yasir Qadhi's advice. Step 1. Research eligibility requirements. Before starting the application, check if you are eligible for student finance in your country. Typically, eligibility depends on factors such as nationality, course type, and university. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect important documents such as your passport, proof of residence, household income information, and your university offer letter. Step 3. Create an online account. Visit your country's student finance website, example, Student Finance England or FAFSA in the US, and create an account. You will need an email address and personal details. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Log into your account and start filling in the application form. Provide details about your course, university, and financial situation. Step 5. Provide proof of identity. Upload or mail your proof of identity, such as your passport or birth certificate, as requested by the Student Finance Authority. Step 6. Submit household income information. Depending on the type of loan or grant, you may need to provide household income details. This might require information from your parents or guardian if you are under a certain age. And before we proceed, regardless of your age, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 7. Review and submit the application. Double-check all the information you have provided. Make sure every section is filled in correctly. Then submit the application. Step 8. Await confirmation. You will receive confirmation that your application has been received, and the finance body will notify you if they need any additional information. Step 9. Keep track of application progress. Log back into your account regularly to check for updates or requests for more information. Step 10. Receive your payment plan. Once approved, you will receive details about your student loan or grant, including how much you will get and when the funds will be disbursed to your bank account. And that's it. You've just taken a huge step forward securing your future and funding your education. Remember, this journey might seem challenging, but every great adventure starts with a single step. As you move forward, always believe in yourself. You have the power to shape your destiny. Financial hurdles are just stepping stones to your success. I will leave you with this powerful reminder from Yasir Qadhi. Do not let the fear of failure hold you back, for success lies in persevering beyond the obstacles. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration today. Together, we can light a path for others. Keep dreaming, keep striving, and remember, magic happens when you take action. Stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video.